Hello, welcome to Printsync. In this short tutorial, we'll learn how to reconfigure the print driver of the Canon Image Runner Advanced series after the departmental ID feature has been turned on at the device. It's very simple to do so. There's just a couple of items that you need to be wary of, or maybe just caution of. So here we go into the printers folder. Usually this would be done on a server somewhere. If you're in an organization, or if it's in a workgroup environment, then this would need to be done on each individual PC. But in this tutorial, we'll pretend that the print driver is actually loaded onto a server, so we just need to change it once. Okay, so on the print driver, we can right click on the print driver and go down to print properties. Okay, yours should look a bit similar to this. Yours probably won't have this AMS kit, which is the Access Management System driver add-in. That brings in extra security of the driver and allows functionality to be restricted in some way, and that is an optional extra, so you may not see that tab. But the tab we're interested in is the Device Settings tab. What we can do if the machine has been pre-configured is Get Device Status. If we hit that button, then this will automatically configure it itself, but more importantly, it will turn this tick box on. Okay, I won't press my button because I know this machine doesn't exist on my network. It's purely just there for showing you the print driver itself. So in a real world environment, Get Device Status, and that should populate everything for you. If it doesn't, then that is another problem that we need to address later on. But if we can press this tick box here, you can see that it turns on this little accounting symbol. And then what also most people like to do is go into settings, and then more importantly, tick this tick box. Do not use departmental ID when black and white printing. More often than not, people are only interested in job accounting when we're talking about color usage. If you'd like the PIN number to be set, what we can do is we can tick that box and tick that one. I would be very wary about doing that on the server system unless you wanted all users to use the same PIN number. Okay, so usually leave that one unticked and let the end users put in their own PIN number. Okay, so usually just tick that one, press OK, apply those changes, and OK. So that's the driver configured. So whenever a print job's now being done, you should get prompted for a PIN number, a departmental ID number and a PIN number. Put those in and the job will be fine. Okay, I did mention that if the Get Device Status didn't work, then that usually means that that DIAS hasn't been installed when the print driver was installed itself, probably just using the add and remove printers wizard that is inbuilt into Windows. If that is used, then the DIAS utility that's part of the setup routine won't get installed, and so the two-way communication will fail. Okay, after the print driver has been installed, there is an easy way of installing DIAS separately. It does mean downloading the printer driver again from the Canon website, but if you do that, go into the driver, and then into this MISC folder, you'll see a DIAS setup executable there. If you run that DIAS setup, what that will do is it'll install the two-way communication that the print driver needs. So it's always a good idea to run the setup wherever possible, but obviously I do appreciate on servers sometimes IT administrators would rather not running setups. But in this instance, if you're using departmental ID, then this is a prerequisite, and departmental ID through printing won't work without this component. So that's all done there. So that should be all good. Thank you for your time. Hope this helps. Bye bye.